What's up, everyone? Edwin Anthony back here again, showing another Shopify video. This time, what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about me trying to download this zip file. So I'm sure that if, based on today's date, right, April 21st of 2022, if you notice, you try to go ahead and do an export of your data, and you probably have a lot of products, right? And you get an email for Shopify. One of them probably, if you're using Gmail, says, this doesn't look safe or whatnot. It's legit. Just make sure that you look at the Shopify email address. It should be legit. From here, you'll notice that you try to download and you're like clicking everywhere. And what's going on? Why is this not working? You know, this problem has been happening for quite some time. I want to say more than a month from now. And I made a Shopify ticket about this. So I'm making this video just to solve this problem so you can see how easy it is to hopefully bypass this situation. So let's go ahead and start over here. So I'm using obviously Gmail, and I'm going to go first start off by clicking these three dots at the corner. Okay, I'm going to click on these three dots right here. And then I'm going to go where it says show original. I'm going to click on that right there, and it's going to take us to this thing right here. And we're going to scroll all the way down up until we find right here where it says downloads. Okay, so go ahead into your source code there, just like I was showing you. Don't be scared. Nothing's going to happen here. And from this, what we're going to do is we're going to grab this URL right here. We're going to ignore these parentheses, and we're going to right click and copy. Once we do that, let's go ahead and open up a new tab right here. Okay, and what you're going to very closely pay attention to is the equal sign. So pay attention to the .myshopify.com. Look at this URL, okay? And you see this equal sign right here? You see that? Click in this and delete it, okay? Delete it. And once you delete it, you leave it like that. Press enter or return on your keyboard, okay? And then you'll notice that there's your download. Now, if you think that I deserve a demolished thumbs up, please thumb it up. Go ahead. That's all I ask for. Okay. Strongly recommend this route. And please, that's how you support the channel and stuff like that. I know I've been disconnected for some time. This is just a very quick video. And by the way, yeah, you guys will notice that on my tutorial, I'm now using Brave. So, if I gave you the answer and you gave me a thumbs up, thank you very much. Hopefully you'll see me next time. But if you want to stay in chat or just listening to me talk about the latest changes, look at the latest change I did. So guys, I'm sure tons of you people are using Chrome. Okay. And based on the current events that's going on and all that stuff, there's just funny business that's going on around in the world. Okay. And people getting hacked and all that stuff. And so I always tell my merchants, I'm like, hey, protect yourself. Make sure that you put 2FA on your security. Make sure that you're doing 2FA on your emails that's associated to Shopify so that nothing bad happens to you and all that stuff. So I just got fed up with Chrome the other day. And I'm just like, you know what? This is a very heavy software. I'm just done with Chrome. And, my development team was talking to me and they said, hey, we use Brave. And I'm like, all right, cool. Let me try Brave. I've heard of Brave a while ago, but that's when it was on its beta. Some time has passed and I installed it, and it's made out of Chrome. In other words, the back end or the bones, it's structured as Chrome, and it brings all the extensions, it brings all the bookmarks, it brings all of that. And it really strongly acts like Chrome, but there's more privacy involved in it. At least allegedly, right? Up until who knows when. But let me tell you, the biggest difference is that I have fast speed internet and I'm able to just go super fast using Brave versus Chrome. Chrome was extremely heavy, and this is now my new preference. By the way, guys, if you what you don't want to do is upload the zip file. I forgot to mention that. Don't upload the zip file to another store. Make sure that you click on it first, export it into a CSV, and then from a CSV, right, that's when you upload it into the store. Some final details there. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. And if you have any questions, let me know how this worked out for you. And until next time, thank you.